Next, I will be calling upon the next speaker, our Ramesh Babu sir. I request him to come and the topic given to him is ancient technology of Varmum and its benefits. Ramesh Babu specializes in research and authoring Varmum therapy books from the manuscript Energy Healing Through Varmum Sara Sukshma by Vasi, academic coordinator of Varmum Therapist Diploma in TDU and also training healers and doctors on Varmum Therapy founder, trustee, Varmum Kalpa Rejuvenation Center, senior research associate of TDU. And to be frank, Reddy sir went on talking about Varmum. Yes, it's an excellent thing. Yes, sir, we will be hearing from your own master, and even he is our master, our master also like. Thank you, Ramesh. Please.
Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon. I don't know, some people majorly never heard of what is Varmum. So let me, this session is especially about what is Varmum. If you people understand, then the session will be more of the therapy we talk about. And I'm talking about, this is science spiritual healing. What is the science spiritual healing means? I could not separate science and spiritual. The science, what we know is the human understanding science, and spiritual have little advanced science where human didn't understood it. That's it, very simple is that. So that's what I feel, and when I present this, you will understand that 5,000 years before what these people are talking about the health. So that now what we are talking is almost we are reinventing, not really inventing. Frankly telling you, today we should not go for any patent or copyright because it belongs to our ancestors, and just because I found it first, we are going for patent and copyright. But it belongs to our ancestors and no one taking the credit, but just found it first, we are taking the credit. It's a little pain, but thanks for our ancestors who are more talented than me. I love that. Okay. I want to start this session with a small magic, because I know before the tea you may go for sleep, so better I'll give you a small tea to you. So I want to start with the magic. Why magic means today therapy is more of magics. So I want to start with the magic, and at the end I want to tell you how easy the magic is. That's how our world of energy healing is doing it now. You understand my point? The difference between what really you see and what really the therapy inside is happening is, inside is very simple. Your body is very easily reacting to the system, but we made it too complicated. Like, if I go to buy a computer, nowadays I never allow a shopkeeper to talk anything about computer. I'll tell, I need 120 GB RAM and 4 GB hard disk, 4 GB RAM. I need graphic card. Every nonsense we know. Even I don't want to know. I want to know, or I don't want to know. I don't care. Like same way, Google is teaching therapy. WhatsApp is teaching therapy. Telegram is teaching therapy. Everyone try every therapy, and the end they come to us telling that save my soul. That's a big problem what we have as a healers. Especially, why I'm saying that pain is that this is the group where I can talk about that frankly. One thing is that because we are more of integrated, together we are trying to find a solution. It's not I am alone finding a solution. You know that this is like getting food from 3 different hotels, nice, palgova from one, and a nice dosa from, masala dosa from one SLV hotel, and a nice vada from one place, and have a best food. That's what we are planning to provide you in these 3 days. I love and thanks for inviting me for this session. Okay, let my little volunteer from our students, like sir, 2 people can come, and Veni ma'am, please join. No sound. Somebody is going to tie my leg and hand very tightly. So they are going to close me for a minute. I am going to remove it, and again they close me. It automatically ties back. But you think this is a dynamo creates this, famous magician called Dynamo creates this type of magics, but the solution is very simple. Why I'm showing is that I'll tell you the reason. Sure.
So you see his hands are tied, very tight.
I never tried this before in front of my students also. I have somewhere around 1,200 above students are there throughout the world. I never disclosed this. But today I want to disclose this technique very easily. Okay, now you can close the... So what I do, they tied me very tightly. So second, what I can do is that, hi. So what I can do back, very simple is that, see this is how the world is. Okay, again. Okay.
Now he's tied back again.
Again, you can tie it little more tight also, you open it. You should not have no doubt on what I am doing. So, undoubtable. Double knot. Okay. Now a little more tight. See, there won't be much gap. Yeah. Okay. See, very simple. See, this is how you can see my hand. So again, I go back. See, the knots are very easily to be removed in our body. Remotes. Yeah. There is called 5 knots in our body. Panjamuduchu. Panjamuduchu is the 5 knots in our body. There are 72 nerves are there. Nadi Narambu. How to release it and tie it is this the technique we use it. And our tools, what you know, the God's blessed just hands we use, nothing else beyond that. So we carry our tools wherever we go because a flight they won't check us the tools. You know why? That is a part of my body. Okay, thank you. Now I'll show you. They tied it here. This is how our healing system is. They tied it here, nothing I did. See here and see here. And this is the knot here. You can remove it. See, our therapy need a common sense. Not just a science. Along with that, we need a common sense in our therapy. Very clear. That's why our Narayana Hrudayalaya could not start their clinic in US. Because they are not following the standard protocol for the surgery. But if you follow standard protocol for everyone, that may fail because everyone are unique and their body is very unique. Our ancestors know this. That's why they created an astrology. And they say, as per an astrology, everyone have unique logic and unique attitude and unique thought. Not same for everyone. So just we see how these 5,000 years old people treated each other. They never know tools. They don't know what to do. I have the pain as my mother because this system is not created by a doctor. This system is created by a mother. Because any pain comes first, I never thought of a capsule. I never thought of a paracetamol or ibuprofen, but I thought of my mother first. And when the child cries, who first came and helped the child out of the pain is the mother. So this therapy is called motherly therapy, nothing else beyond that. And that time, still when I am the child, I remember, I am from a small village. When I have a headache, I go to my mother and sleep on her lap. She'll just massage my head telling that, what son, what has happened to you? I'll be talking about what all happened in the school, classroom, fight between a friend, tiffin carrier stolen, and all that will be, you know that, all that fellow got first mark, I got second mark, all that will happen. But she just consoled by touching the head, and within 10 minutes time when I get up, no headache I could see. I don't know where are we now. Nowadays, anything happens, first thing we Google what medicine we have to give. Or old prescription which they given 5 years before, they carry the same prescription and go. Even passport is not valid if you cross 18 years. But the prescription is still valid from the birth to the death. The doctor's prescription. So that's how the self-medication really killed us. But 5,000 years old, there is no much of the medication. Non-invasive therapy, majorly it's more of non-invasive. Cutting is offense as per the Siddha system. This is a part of the Siddha system. So cutting or wounding anything too much beyond blood should not come out. That is Shiva is the god we call as, but Shiva is not a god. Shakti is the god we call as, but Shakti is not a god. These are all the energies within us. He gave the name and he created a proper statue for that and given all the ornaments to it representing that energy. Because in India, name, we see the energy and in the different metals. We say children, we call it as a bangaru, means my gold. Name is not a gold of the child, but we call a small child as my gold. You know why? Gold is a wonderful conductor. If she carries any good and bad, immediately she send it outside. We call her as a gold. Very simple. Wonderful 100% conduction is there. No resistance or no absorption is there. 100% conduction. So we have altogether entirely human anatomy predicted. Here we never predict the anatomy physiology after the human death. We predict the anatomy physiology when the human is living. So that's why we could find God's particle 5,000 years before. Now we are fighting about the God's particle in proton, neutron, electron. They say there is something else is there called the God's particle, which we know 5,000 years before, because my ancestors, they take a copper coin as a begging, they take it and touch with the powder and give it back to you, it will become a gold. Still there is a secret exist, but not many people want to teach that, because Indian economy will go to, you know, where it will be. Fine. Sorry. Fine. So I am Ramesh Babu, basically a software engineer. Morning they introduced. So I am an IT guy, work on more of Java architect. I work as a Java platform architect. I quit the job recently because to spread this knowledge out. Because Danatil Siranda Danam, the knowledge, the immortal. That's Dana means whatever you want to gift, the best gives the knowledge. So I quit all my job and I'm giving the knowledge here. Okay, fine. So this 5,000 years old and we have manuscript. We don't have books here. Right side? Oh, that one. Got it. Thank you. Thank you. So, Siddhas is Siddh, intelligence, wisdom, sharp vision, and broad mind. Just killing a ego is enough, nothing else. You want to be a Siddha, just kill your ego. Normally we say, no, what is seventh sense? There was a movie and all, is there? What is seventh sense? Like a Lucy movie when you saw, she may go to 100% memory, it's something like a seventh sense. Seventh sense, people want to attain a seventh sense, they keep on thinking using the sixth sense. Very simple is that, you want to attain a seventh sense, just kill your sixth sense is enough. No energy can be neither created nor destroyed, but can transform to one form to another form. So first kill your sixth sense, there will be a space to load the seventh sense. You know what is seventh sense? Nothing. So empty your sixth sense itself, your seventh sense. People are thinking there exists a seventh sense. Fact, I'm telling you, making it puja, zero, nothing, empty, void is your seventh sense. People are thinking there is something exists. It exists, but it's a void. Okay, fine. There are 18 siddhas, we call it as, that is nothing but 18 siddhas, but 18 stages of attaining an higher level is that attaining that level. That's why there is a temple called Ayyappa temple here. 18 steps you cross, which is made of gold. Then you attain a level of siddhi. Siddhi means, my guru is there who teaches me this. Almost 18, 19 years I learned this. Who go under the water and without the breath, he meditate for 45 minutes to 1.5 hours maximum time with no breath within the water. He is not a, pearl divers like in the sea, but they also learn the Vasi. Okay. So we use 3 techniques called Tantra, Mantra, and Meditation. So Yantram, Tantram, and the meditation, all the 3 we use. And actually telling you, Tantra no one is teaching nowadays. Mantra is what the sound you create for healing. See, we have been talking from morning, light, sound, vibration. You saw that words. Light, sound, vibration. The light is the Shiva. The sound is the Shakti. Vibration is Param. Param means everything around the world is just a vibration. Gadi. That is, without the vibration, nothing exists. That's what we discovered. Any mass it can be, you see just as a mass. Inside you see a vibration. That's what we represent Shiva. It's closing the eyes, but you don't see vibration. When you get up and play Nataraja, Nadana, Tandava, then you see really a vibration. So we use that vibration to treat here using this Varmam. So Tantra, mantra is chanting. Tantra is a technique of chanting. See, everyone says mantras like Om, Bhur, Gumaswa, Taksha, Vidur, Narendram. So it's how the chant, but not that way. You see a movie called Harry Potter. In that, whenever the Harry Potter comes, Harry Potter, where are you? It attracts and mesmerizes that word. This is in our Tamil, we call it as Talayanai Mandiram, pillow mantra. Many of the husband and wife in the joint family, they cannot talk openly because all grannies and, father, mother will be there. They go to the bedroom and talk very slowly. So this is how they talk. That is a mantra. Male will not object to no. For everything he say yes. That much powerful mantra means even Shiva can say yes for it. If you say the mantra, that is called tantra. And yantra is the object you use, the tools you use, mind tool, mind reader, LEDs or lasers and all that is a tool. But the tool is communicating to you with a particular frequencies, what we call it as tantra. That tantra is hidden, we never disclose much, okay? Then, microcosm and macrocosm. அண்டத்தில் உள்ளதெல்லாம் பிண்டத்தில் உள்ளது. That means whatever is inside is outside, whatever is outside is inside. So earlier days in India we have Navagraha, 9 gragas, that means 9 planets. Excluding sun and the moon, if you take, there are 7 gragas. But we had been remembering when I was a school student, Pluto was there. So big planet. Suddenly it's absconding out of the list. I don't know another one when it will go. Because I am an amateur astronomer, from my graduation I am an astronomy guy. I do research in Venupapa Observatory, Kavalur, which is 102 diameter telescope, reflective telescope, which is in Tamil Nadu. So when we see, I don't know when next is going, but I promise you there is a 7 planets exist, 100%, because this is written almost 5,000 years before. I believe them. So same way, morning somebody has come to our therapy center. I was telling that you have sinusitis, you have a problem. We have been telling that. They asked, how do you see that? They never told what the problem they have. We don't have any scanners. The scanners are our eyes. The best scanner in the world is what? The eyes. If I have doubt, then hands. Only these two are the scanners we use. When you walk towards me, that's why, you know, big hospitals, doctor will sit in one corner and doors will be opposite side. When you open the door, you'll say, yes, you have to walk towards him. Correct? For at least like 10, 20 steps, you will walk. Why is making you to walk? You know that? You will see all the parameters of your body. When you sit there, you already know what problem you face. That is a real pathology. The pathology is observing. Not through hearing first, but seeing them, their attitude. Will teach what? Vata. Vata means, you know what? Vata means gaseous state. Pitta means heat state. Kapha means a solid state. Vata people, how they, if the chapel is left there, right? You just go, see the chapel stand is there, where you left the shoes, another thing. Somebody left the throw it left and right and came inside, means they Vata. Vata means they jump always. They go very fast. Movement is very fast. Pitta means one chapel in one place, another chapel in another place, hiding and come, because somebody should not steal that chapel. They will doubt everyone that belongs to Pitta. The Kapha means clearly they kept very clearly and take a step and clean it properly. Around the no chapel is there, see, and they come. That is called Kapha Prakruti. So very simple is that which is dominating, it is been embedded when you are born, not later. That is called karma. Karma means by birth something is embedded within you, we call it as a karma. Okay. Microcosm, everything in the universe exists in the human body. Whatever exists in the external being and exists within. Something that connects the micro and macrocosm, 108 locations are there in your body. That's why many of these mantras, chantings, all the people you see go around, it's 108. So in our body also there is points, locations, I can call it as, there is 108 locations where it can hurt you and treat you. Both can be possible. That's why marma sigicha or varma sigicha, I can just hit and kill a people within a second. And you won't feel hurting, but you are dead. But same way, somebody is dead can be awakened using a particular trigger in a Kundalini area. That is called DNA reprogramming. That is the same point we call it as. Okay, we'll come later on the research that. So 96 of them are minor energy sources and 12 are major energy sources. Connecting these 96 minor energy sources, that is consolidating totally. Fine. That's why we have 12 Rashish. Rashish means, okay, in the stars of 23 and Rashis are there. Okay, fine. And also tell you, so external, internal, I will consider the Saturn is connected to your bones, teeth, cartilages, spleen, and bladder. Planet Jupiter is connected to liver, diaphragm, muscles of trunk. The Mars is a belly, kidney, gallbladder. Venus is semen, abdomen, uterus, genitalia. Mercury for leg, feet, hands, fingers, and ligaments. So, as per our Panjabakshi, there is a pathology called Panjabakshi. The 5 birds we connected to every human. In that, if we know what time I can treat, that time if you touch, only that time he get healed. Like Ivy Reddy sir, when I met him in his place, he was telling that sometimes C5 will not work at all with some patients. Will tell you come tomorrow, only then it works. What is the time is, that is called Panjabakshi. Panjabakshi means when I touch, My energy and your energy should match. Only then the healing will happen. Sometime my mother used to come and do, how are you means I'll take the hand. Because I don't like it because my energy is different. When I want something from her, she'll tell, no dear. She'll do like this and say, not now, we'll buy it later. That time I accept it. So not always every touch you will accept it, correct? Sometimes somebody put a hand, you'll get irritated. Sometimes they put the hand, you love it. So the emotions may changes your touches also. The healing is also working on your emotions. That's why healing is very easy by touching it. Okay, not too much pain. Then if you zodiac sign see, that also is connected to your body. Every zodiac sign you belong to, that particular body, you have to protect it, or any diseases has to come to you. Only that zodiac sign people will get that diseases, not all the diseases. Maybe that may fail first, since you are not cared or given a treatment to it, another may go wrong. Some people say, no, I have cervical problem, sir. But actually, if you ask them, did you get any time lumbar problem? That was there for 2-3 years before, sir. Now I don't have. So cervical means the lumbar should be there compulsory. Only cervical won't come. If at all cervical come, then you are watching our TV series regularly in our India. Sorry for that, okay? That is a stress. First, we connect everything in this room by one entity, is a breath. Madam said, like a fish pond, what is connecting there is an air. I am also talking about the same air only, but I am little giving a name to it called, outside is a air, inside is a prana. Very simple, anda, pinda. That is outside is an air, inside when it crosses my thyroid gland, it became a prana. There is one mantra working on continuously called Oo mantra, which between A and Oo mantra when it transfers, automatically that will become prana. Still that it is an air. The saliva is there, no smell will come when it is in the mouth. It comes just out of the lips, immediately that starts smelling. The same way, everything has its own boundary to take care of its life. Beyond that, it is no value at all. This breath, how it works on our body, we'll see. Muladhara, you have 600 breath per day between 6 to 6:40 a.m. Swadhisthana, 6,000 breath between 6:40 to 1:20 a.m. PM. Yeah, it's PM. Then 6:40, what is the meaning? It's AM or PM? I think AM. It's a PM. It's a PM. 6 to 6:40 also PM. Then Manipuraga 6,000 between 1:20 to 8. Which is least time, more breath is an emotional time. Don't disturb that patients at a time because they are very angry or they get emotion, they cry, burst out will happen. You know, the breath is more, they get into angry. That's why I'll tell you, you want to scold me? I'll tell, please come. Yeah. Very true. Scold me at 6 o'clock. Otherwise, you scold me, but take a deep breath of 3, then you scold me. You would have nothing to scold yourselves. All right, please go. Morning, you are telling stress. Sir was talking about the stress. The technology was talking about first about the stress. Our PPT started. Indians are well versed in handling stress. Because we born with stress, every day we face a stress, so we have feeded the slow poisoning of stress, so that's why big guru on Swamijis are from India. You know why? They know how to handle stress without any equipments, because they have practice means we live with the stress. So beyond that, if it comes, that is highest stress in the world. Beyond that, no world will have the stress, okay? Manipuraga 6,000, Anahata 6,000, Vishuddhi 1,000, Agnya 1,000 and Sagasaram 1,000. So every time your soul is traveling between these areas, soul is traveling. We have wonderful Sarasutram, the book, which says where your soul is. So that's why I'm telling you, if I want to hit you, I know where to hit you so that your soul will disturb very easily. Your soul is disturbed, everything is disturbed. That's why in the Burma from Kanyakumari and Kerala, the South Kerala and the Kanyakumari, there is no handshake. We say only namaste. You know why? If I give handshake also, you'll induce me some problems. So no handshaking, we do what we do? The namaste. That much energy can be passed between each. That's why in India we have only namaste, no handshake, because people are so brilliant to handle. Using the hand also they can induce something, you know. We have 96 tattvas in your body. We have 96 tattvas in your body. That means your emotions, your feeling, whatever it is like, see, your 5 sensory organs, 5 sensory functions, 5 motor organs, 5, functions of motor organs, your intelligent, your intellect, your region, your nerval plex, everything is 96 are there in your body. Everything is a property of creating a disease or curing a disease. If you know how to handle this 96, then you can handle everything. So in the Varmam also, we have 96 Varmams to handle this. And everything is connected to one point in your body. That's why I say that someone touched me there, I got healed. You know why? You know where to touch because you know where the problem is. You understood? That's the knowledge you want. To whom, where to touch. At when to touch. See where, when, and how. If this touch you got, everyone might have got it. You are blessed by the God. I am telling you, I never seen a God. Only through the touch we have seen the God from many of the people. Correct? Om is the mantra. We call it as A, O, Im. This is a universal one. It's not religious. People think it's a religious because Hindu is a path and not a religion. A, U, Im. Even Arabic, Allahu Akbar they call it as. In that also A and U. Without that they can call it Akbar. Allahu Akbar. So A, U is a mantra everywhere. And throughout the world, child cries. Habi cries, you know, Ua, Ua, Ua. So U and A is the mantra for the world people of children's. Kua, Kua, people think it's not a Kua, actually it's pranava of mantra called U and A. So U is a protection, A is a absorption. Why I'm telling you A is absorption? Somebody was there from Tai Chi also, possibly they may be knowing it. In the karate, somebody is hitting me, I say A and block it, I won't receive the pain at all. When I want to just blocking him, use the sound A and protect it, you won't get a pain. Pain never goes here. Same way, you say who and push it, that is isolating. That is called moving the energy out. That's why everyone get a pain, what you give a sound, what sound you give? Huh? Huh? Why A is coming? A is the, pain's output and A is the protector of the pain, both. See, it's a reversible mantra. It's like A, U and Ua is a reversible one, okay? Im is the mantra, is what? Maya. Mahara is the Maya. Maya means magic. Magic means whatever we are here is magic only. Morning we said, we doesn't exist here. We are all atoms combined together and created a shape and we have our own intellectual DNAs programmed so that we are receiving the knowledge. That's it. So we doesn't exist here. But how we exist in the name of Maya. Maya means invisible verticals. We are all of invisible vertical. We are in one verticals. Like Many Lives and Many Master, one book is their nice book which talks about, Katharina talks about every generations of life. She'll be telling that, I just go, after that I see a light, and after that suddenly I see a bright light, I'm born again. And my father is again as a same relative, my brother is the same relative. So same it's following. How it is taken care means the DNAs are not programmed for this generation, DNA is programmed for 7 generations, generation, 7 generations. After that, DNA is recycled. You know, it has to recycled. So we have wonderful system. This Om, Muladhara is Om, Avuyim, about the Namashivaya is an energy point. So I'll tell you how to use, I'm telling word, no? Om is a word, is a mantra. I'm telling you, if you receive this frequency and continuously receive this frequency, I'll tell you, any problem related to your reproductive organ and the mind will be treated 100% with undoubt. No doubt at all. This is the Om because A will activate one vibration, U will activate one vibration, Im will activate one vibration. These 3 well connected and your Muladhara chakra is activated and you will be healed by psychosomatic disorders which is 82% is in the world and your reproductive organ problems. Very simple. Fine. This is Om where our Shiva is represented something like that. It is very important to see this image. This image, see, right side is sun, left side is the moon. I have taken some international people, how they represent the depict their own things. They are also easy, right side is the sun and the left side is the moon. So throughout the world, they understand the knowledge in the same way, but presenting the different way. And see, this is my masculine side, this is a feminine side. But something is there, like a Tai Chi and Qigong, you see big round they put a S here and put a small round. Which is white side will have black and black side will have white. Yes or no? In that, I have male side, but what is female in that? My brain. This is a masculine side, but the brain is feminine. And this is a feminine side, and my brain is masculine. This is the balancing kept by the God to make sure that one will not dominate another and balance will happen. The center, the star. Normally the English people put the star and we call it as Param. Param means everywhere the star there, world universal is the star. So Shiva is proton, Shakti is the electron, Param is the neutron. And what is the God's particle here is Vasi, your breath. Param, Shivan, Sakti, Param, which is connecting here. Only your breath. So breath is the Vasi. Vasi means the breath is connecting here. That's why I started with the breath. I am ending with the breath, telling that without the breath, nothing exists here. The breath stops, everything is stopped. So that in India, normally the system what we follow, we handle the breath. If I want to talk to someone, my right breath start working, I will not talk to you. You know why? Your emotions is not good. You are angry on me. I always say, Namaste, I will talk to you later. I'll escape. If my left breath starts, then you are emotionally connected to me. You want to come, you are coming to me for help, then automatically I'll open my chakras to you. You know that's whom to open the chakras, whom not to open the chakras also, our breath will talk. So we majorly work on the particular therapy called breath therapy. Majorly we work with the breath therapy. And same way, neutron, atom, that is a cation, this is the anion, this is nothing but the Shivan and the Shakti. When, see, loss of electron is a positive, masculine. Gain of electron is a feminine. That's what we see. What is losing, what is gaining means, you know, is in the relationship, male and female, when they go, who loses what and who gains what is the same protocol. We are showing it here. Okay. Same way. So just take him, please. We are giving out ready. Okay, and it's ready to take it up. That's why many energy is traveling from one side to another side. Another way, it's not moving at all. Body, mind and soul should be well connected. All these places of 108 location I mentioned you is clearly is the junction point of your body, mind and soul. Anything hit, some people say, no, I fell down here, sir, when I'm child. Now my body is shrinking. Some people, fingers will be like this. And the body will start shrinking. You know why? Something happened when they say pedaling the cycle, they fell down, the bell hit here. There is called Siri Ati Churki and Peri Ati Churki. Ati means the bones, Churki means shrinking. The disease. Early days there is no name for diseases. That's why I'm not using any name for the disease. You know, because in our culture there is one thing called, if you say any disease name 1 or 8 times, then that disease will attack you. Just like that also don't say that I have diabetic. 1 or 8 times you say the name of diabetic, that is blessing for you, you cannot come out of it. You understood? So that's why we don't use the name of the disease, but we'll say what problem will happen. Body shrinking, the body will completely shrink. You know that height will also reduce and the body will shrinking at a particular age, because that will hit your periatichurgi, this hip point. That is very dangerous and one of the Paduvarma. Paduvarma means major diseasing point. So Shakti, Shivam, we make it as world, moon, sky. See, all that 3 energies we talk. Everything is an energy. In our body also we have. Shakti is skin, leg, blood vessels, veins, nail, teeth. Which all the things you can see and physically work, all these are Shakti. I activate Shakti. Almost 20 days I am activating the Shakti. People are saying some difference they see. Actually, I am completely baldy here. Now the hair started growing. Very simple logic. No baldy heads needed. We can grow the hair back. I'll teach you the technique once my hair grows back. Because I'm trying myself. It's not that I'm teaching you first. I try first, enjoy it and then give it to you. Because I don't believe, how will I say that to you? Correct? I'm commercializing it. No. I'll do that first. Let me be the proof first. Then I'll teach you how to regrow to the hair. There's a simple technique. See how I showed that magic, no? That's why I showed the magic telling that. Yeah. Richard. No, this is a procedure. I'll teach you. 45 days. We can. Everything. We can. We can. There is nothing dying. It's temporarily dying. That's what madam used to. I don't say the word called death. What she used? Cell death. I don't want to say it. Cell death. What is it? So, maximum day of the cell life is 45 days. One mandala we call it. Mandala means 45 days. Beyond that, nothing exists in your body. 45 days before what you are, today you are not the same person. You are different. Your family should doubt you. Is this the same person? Only your attitude has not changed. So you're maintaining your body is maintaining same attitude. That's why you are you. Otherwise, after 45 days, no one is you. You know that? So love your people. How long you are with them? You know why? They are not the same. They are keep on changing, but the attitude is permanent with them. That's it. Very simple. You understand? Don't get bored of someone in the life. That is, they are not the same person. Every 45 days they are changing. Only thing they are permanently sticking to is what? The attitude. So Shivam is the father, where sky, sun, intelligence, skin, air, flesh, blood, bones, all that is moving area. all that moves very easily inside us is called as Shivam. And Param is, it neither moves nor static. It just vibrates. It looks like static, but it vibrates, okay? Then earth is a nose in our body. Earth is the nose. We have Panchabhuta. There is 5 properties everything made of. Earth, water, fire, air, and the space. Everything in the world is made of 5 properties. Anything you take an, what is that, periodic table and show me, all that metals comes under any one of these status. Or it will be moved between one to another status. So that in our face, the earth is the nose, water is the mouth, fire is the eyes, air is the skin, and the space is the ears. This is the ears. That's what we tell you. We go to normally temples, in Hindu temple, there will be a fire. They do something and bring it to us. We take the fire and keep it in our eyes. You know why? That fire should be always permanently here. If that is here, I am alive. If that goes, torchlight the doctor will put there and tell he is dead. What he's seeing there, you never know. But he put a torchlight in your eyes and see you are alive or not, dilated or not, your eyes are. You know what he's seeing really? The fire is there or not. That fire is there, you are alive, otherwise you are not alive. Okay. Time is up, let me know. Okay, fine. Dasavayu, we have our therapy, in Varmam therapy, only with 20 items we use. Not too much complicated. One is Dasavayu, is 10 air, and Dasanadi is the 10 pulse. You understood? Pulse is vibrating, air is moving. Vibration only makes that move. Take a mobile, keep it in a vibration mode, and keep it on a glass table. Now call that mobile, it will move or it won't move. Will it move? So every vibration makes other things also move next to it. So the vibration is a Shivam, makes the Shakti to move. Understand my point? Another way, Shivan is a vibrator. Anything vibrates makes another things to start moving. So paralysis patient leg is not moving. What I want to activate there? Who is vibrator there? Shivan. If I activate a Shivan, automatically that movement of Shakti will happen, the paralysis go off. That's why Varmam is very famous for the paralysis. So motor movement problems. Very fast it works. 5 major Vayu for the health. For every cell to vibrate from head to toe, every cell is vibrating. That vibration we call the Shiva. And for vibrating, some energy needed, battery charging, that is called Shakti. Shakti illayal, Shivan illai. Only female side we activate, not a male side. You understand? Any therapy, feminine side is the first touch, and only then we go to masculine side. In temple also, first female god is prayed, and only then the male god is prayed. That's a procedure we use in the therapy also. Coordination between Nadi and Vayu, something like this. One stone is little moved, it's collapsed. The structure is very simple. Dasavayu and Dasanadi is not supporting each other. It's existing and coexisting. It's not supporting. Supporting means I am supporting you, but we are coexisting. I am also want to live. I need to connect to you, and you also live. You have to connect back to me. So Dasanadi names are there. Don't worry about that. Nadis are connected to your organs. Linear organs like lungs, liver, heart, urinary bladder, all that major organs are connected to your Dasanadi. So if I know how to activate the Nadi, I can heal that, right? Because Nadi is connected to that, so I know where the energy is going from. If I want, what actually telling you? A cell is corrupted. So I know it's corrupted. Now what is the therapy? Fight against a cell is one thing. But that's what the problem is. Autoimmune diseases are so high nowadays, rheumatoid arthritis. So make a cell, newborn cell, which is healthy enough, so that the next generation of the cell will be more stronger than the old cell and it will kill. That's what morning they said, every child, the ashram is started for the child to grow properly, that the world is changed. We also make sure 45 days once the cell is changing, that cell, if I make it as a healthy cell, in that case, I don't want to treat, cell will take care because body is intelligent and it knows how to handle it. Okay? So main nadis, 3 are we have. This is too much theory. Okay? I'll give you little function about that. This is how the temples we made of. The temples is not a temple. Temples is our body, human body. What is temple? Whatever you see temple, people are thinking that is some Hindu temple. No, no, no. That's you. Male temple and female temple. We have 2 temples. That's you. And how the structure will be, this is how, where the chakras and everything we just depicting. I'll tell you. In Hindu temple, there is outside the compound, there is 2 lines they put. One is red color and white color, red color, white color. Anyone knows why that color is there around the temple? And outer Gopura, you see male and female relation, so much they show. And inside you can't see anything. What does it mean? The red color or the orange color is mother's egg. and the white color is the father's sperm, that together with the relation of statues they showed, this temple is created. Instead, the God has set in me so that I am alive. Very simple is that. That's why they put the color of two colors. One is a white color, another is a kavi color. Kavi means like a blood color, to show that this temple is made by my father and mother, and the God in the sanctum, the God has come sad. So that's why the life of the temple is alive. Clear? Yali is there. One more thing I want to show. This is called Yali. There is some animal there. You see these animals? You go to every temple, you see this animal. No one knows what it is. Even dinosaur movie and all, dinosaur we are taking Jurassic Park and other movies to show what was not living long back or living long back. But this is one thing, no one has taken movies till now. You know why? It is maintained so secretly because this has come from a continent called Lemurian continent, which was below the earth, which was connecting this side South Africa, and that's the left side is Australia and right side South Africa. That big continent is there. Google it, you'll get it. Lemurian continent, you won't have much of the content. These people belong to them. And when the foreigner came and international research people came, they asked what it is. We said it's a Yali. Yali means what animal, where it has come from. No documents properly. Then this is what the word became alien. The Yali is transformed to what name? Alien, because we don't know where it has come from. But this Yali, I'm telling you, every temple you go, above that there will be arch, metal arch. In that the face will be Yali face only. Whenever you do the puja to the temple, you pray the Yali. In our body, there is something called Yali. That is one point. That one point in our body which shows that Yali. That's why Ayurveda have 107 Varma points. Varma have 108 Varma points. That one was not disclosed because this God belongs to South. That's why that one is not disclosed to the Ayurveda. You understand my point? That one belongs to this Yali and powerful God. I'm telling you, this God is an energy within you. I'm telling you. Only one point you touch, 4,448 diseases will get cured. That is what the maximum disease mentioned as per the scripts of old. 4,440 diseases can be cured. Where to touch? One point. And that have only one time monthly once. That you touch and they'll get cured. How many people you can touch? That particular time only one patient can touch. So monthly once you can cure one patient. But I'm telling you, even cancer patient, any patient, that Yali places you have to touch, they'll get cured. Okay. Sorry? I'll show you all that. Don't worry. Tomorrow we have session now. So 96 are there. 108. All that. See, I have no secrets. One thing is that I don't maintain a secret. My mouth is an open mouth and mind is an open mind. So that you ask me, I'll give the answer. But question time will last. So, methods of Varmam. See, energy-based treatment, Vayu and vital air-based treatment, Nadi and nervous system-based treatment, bone-based treatment, muscle-based treatment, and internal organ-based treatment. So many types of treatment is possible using the Varmam. Okay? Then energies, red and white lines outside the temple, I told you. Yali, I told you. DNA calibration can be done using a Varmam in the Panchapakshi mantra. Using a Panchapakshi mantra. What is the Panchapakshi? You know, Chidambara Ragasyam. We'll talk about that tomorrow. So Chidambara Ragasyam, if you say, you can activate any chakra within 40 minutes time, and you go and check your diabetic. I want to show the demonstration here. Diabetic patient has to come here. I'll give them a sweet, still I talk. Complete the talk, they can have the sweet. What all the sweet, they love it. After that, I want to check their blood sugar level and see that what is it. It will be normal. Promise you. Undoubtedly, I promise you, I can show it on spot demo. Anyone can walk in. I don't call my students only. Anyone can walk in, but I will prove that because that is the energy we are talking about. What is the energy means? Every day, Sandhya Vandana, the Brahmins do morning and the evening, there is a puja which activates your soul energy. Very simple is that. Our culture itself is a therapy. Go to the temple without shoe or chappal, you walk around the temple, acupressure now it has become. There is called Punnusi Deravakal, that is golden needle therapy, acupuncture it has become. And we go and in front of the Ganapati we do like this, and that became a super brain yoga now. So only thing is the naming convention is different, the concept is wonderful. We can, so Patrick, what our system was following, I was talking, just comparing him, and I am saying that I interested, love these people. You know why? This knowledge, when you feel like something, the world is connected with another verbal word, but well connected. You know, we are all connected. The first, the conference started like that. We are all connected. How we connected means, my language may different, my culture may different, but as a human, we are all well connected. What makes us a human is that the love on my body, and same way I love you on your body. That's why in the Diwali, the festival, we keep the light. Kartika Deepam, we light every houses. Somebody will have gold lamp. Somebody will have silver lamp, somebody will have mud lamp. But little away you go and see, you will see only the lamp. So you all may be a gold, silver, mud, I don't know. But to my eyes as a therapist, what I see you is only your soul, which look like a small light to us. That light is called Arutperum Jodi, Arutperum Jodi. People call that is the highest light in the world. So when you start seeing, your eyes start seeing that, your energy is activated and you can heal anyone. You are like a big Swamiji. Read and ask me any questions. Undoubtedly, this knowledge doesn't have any borders, boundaries, religions, customs, nothing. The God of Shiva himself is designed only for the human being who are born as a human being. This can be given. So no restrictions for anything. Anyone can learn easily. And we'll talk about this, some of the healing. We can stop with this. Thank you. I was a little fast, I know, but so much is there. Thank you.